truly blessed to speak on a topic that matters every student's life, how to stay focused on education, especially in class 10th. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Ummehani, daughter of Mukhtar Ahmad. I am studying in Jamia Ummul Khura Lil Baneen wal Banat in 10th class. Jamia Ummul Khura, it is the one and only model school in Adoni where Dini and Dunyavi education is given. All the 10th class students in Adoni studies only 6 subjects, but in Jamia Ummul Khura students studies total 18 subjects, 12 Dini subjects and 6 Dunyavi subjects. Today I truly blessed to speak on a topic that matters every student's life, how to stay focused on education, especially in class 10th. Class 10th is not just a year, it is a turning point, a bridge between our childhood and our future dreams. It is the year that tests our patience, our powers to stay focused, and everyone wants success, but very few are ready to work for it. And the secret behind every successful student is not just luck, it is focus, the struggle of distractions. We have phones in our hands and notifications on our screens and temptations all around us. Today staying focused has become harder than ever. Every time we sit to study, a message pops up and within a second our focus is gone. The sad truth is time is once gone, never comes back. Dear friends, time is like a sand. If you do not hold it tight, it escapes our fingers. If you want to success in your 10th class exams, you must learn to protect your time, because time is not just a goal, it is your focus. The first step to staying focused on education is to have a goal. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? Do you want to score 90%? Do you want to make your parents proud? Do you want to build a bright future? Write our goal on a paper. Look at it every morning. Let it remind you have a purpose that greater than any distraction. Step 2. Make a simple timetable. Don't study long hours without rest. Instead, study short seasons with full concentration. Even 2 hours of deep focus is better than 5 hours of half-hearted study. Step 3. Control yourself, control your phone and your company. The biggest thief of our focus is our phones and sometimes our friends. Phones are useful tools, but if not controlled, they control us. And choose your friends wisely. Friends who motivate you, not distract you. A true friend is one who reminds you of your goals, not one who distracts you away from them. Step 4. Respect your teachers and parents. Behind every successful student stand 2 powers, teachers and parents. Our teachers light our path and our parents fill our lives with prayers and sacrifices. When you study sincerely, you are not just learning for marks, you are honoring their love and trust. The blessings are stronger than any shortcut to success. Step 5. Stay spiritually focused. When your heart is connected to Allah, your minds become strong. Before start studying, you say Bismillah. Pray for focus, patience and wisdom. And remembering what Quran teaches, Allah yu'inu man jahada bi ikhlasi. Allah helps those strive with sincerity. Then your hard work never goes in vain. Step 6. Believe in yourself. Many students are fails, not because they are weak, but because they are stopped believing in themselves. Tell yourself every day, I can do it, I will do it, I must do it. When you can believe in yourself, your energy can multiply. The real meaning of focus. Focus does not mean all the time studying. It means giving your best in the time you study. It means ignoring all the noise around you. It means staying positive and remembering that your dreams are worth any sacrifice, every sacrifice. staying and remembering that. And remember, dear friends, distractions are temporary. They give you a few minutes of pleasure, but education is forever. It gives you confidence, respect, and knowledge. So, dear friends, let's promise ourselves today. Let no more excusing time, no more wasting time. Let fight distractions. Pray, staying for study with full concentration. Value our time, because one day when we hold our 10th class result, we should not regret what we did not do. We should smile with pride at what we achieved. So let's make our parents proud, our teachers happy, and our future bright. So and remember the last thing. A success does not come what you do once in a while. It comes from what you do every single day. So let's focus, stay strong, walk with faith in our hearts and books in our hands. So thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.